Hey guys, we're doing random break 4, random 4-box mixed break part 2. Really, 8:51, 11 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants, dice roll, we're going 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That over. Just save it. I already copied that there. Nope, didn't. Don't need that one. And team draw 3 times. Nice and quick for the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Random is complete, and the teams are Benji Mac Warriors, Dale Thunder, Tane with the Cavs, Benji Mac Bulls, Zach O'Toole with the Grizz, Aaron Price Wizards, Sean Thon Wolves, Zach with the Pelicans, and Magic. Well, that's definitely turned around from the last one for Zach. Vincent Heat, Dobell Mavericks, Coulson Hornets, McCubbin Clippers, Albie Chin Pacers and Pistons, Alvaro Nuggets, Kiwi Raptors, Zach O'Toole Bucks, Palmasano Knicks, Aaron Price Spurs, Mizzy Rockets, Ash Peters Celtics, Byron Lakers, Diz Jazz, Benny Osmond Nets, Alan Batchelor Suns, Mason Dolling Hawks, Brendan with the Blazers, Thomas Oliver Kings, and Brendan with the Sixers. So I know I'm going to get some messages of hate, because that's what the boys always do. They're like, what's this junk? I'm sorry, I do not control the random. I do them, but I don't control them. And that's the teams.